Frontline International presents Troubleshooting the UCO Tank Control Panel. The problem we will be covering today is if there is a blank or no display on the control panel. To solve, check the control panel for power and/or replace the control panel. A screwdriver and voltmeter will be needed. First, make sure the tank is plugged in. Remove the 6 screws on the facing plate. To make the panel easier to work with, flip it and reconnect it to the mounting bracket. Now bring in your voltmeter and set it on top of the panel. Test the 2 connections marked Power In on the board. The voltage should read 120. This means the board has power but still no display. Once you have verified the board is receiving power, you need to check the other electronics to make sure they're not causing the issue. Test by removing each electronic one at a time to see if the display comes back on. To begin, remove each electronic, starting with the heater, then the sensor, then the float. Check to see if the display has come back on. If display comes back on when diagnosing separate electronics, replace that part. If the display has not come back on, the board needs to be replaced. To start that process, disconnect the rest of the cables. Remove the screw and detach the board from the bracket. Bring in your new board and attach it the same way. First, reconnect the Power In, then the sensor wire, the float, the heater, and the DP valve. Then, remove the screw and reattach the panel to the bracket. Plug the power back in and allow the panel to boot up. Once you can see the level indicator, the status is now normal.